In the early 1900s, a revolutionary car changed the way America moved forever. The Ford Model T, introduced in 1908 by Henry Ford, this car was not just a machine, it was a movement. Before the Model T, cars were expensive luxuries only the rich could afford. But Henry Ford had a different vision. He wanted to build a car for the common man. And he succeeded. The Model T was simple, strong, and most importantly, affordable. Initially priced at around $850, its cost later dropped to nearly $300, making it accessible to middle-class families across the United States. What truly made this car special was how it was built. Ford introduced the revolutionary assembly line at the Ford Motor Company, which reduced the time to build a car from over 12 hours to just about 90 minutes. This meant more cars, lower prices, and faster production. The Model T was also designed to handle the tough conditions of early American roads. At a time when many roads were rough, unpaved, and dusty, this car's high ground clearance and durable build made it perfect for farmers, workers, and families living in rural areas. Its simple engine and design allowed owners to repair it themselves, which made it even more popular. With a top speed of around 65 kilometers per hour, it wasn't the fastest car, but it was reliable and efficient. Over 15 million units were sold, making it one of the best-selling cars of all time. People even gave it a nickname, the Tin Lizzie, because of its simple metal body and hard-working nature. In many ways, the Ford Model T didn't just dominate American roads, it shaped American life. It connected cities, supported businesses, and gave people the freedom to travel like never before. This is why, in the 1910s and 1920s, if you saw a car in the United States, chances are it was a Ford Model T.